Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix NBA 2K27 server error, and the error message could be unable to connect to 2K servers or can't connect to servers error on PC. So if you're getting any of this error in NBA 2K27 on PC, then here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. Now first check the NBA 2K27 server status before performing any of the fixes mentioned in this video. So you can go to this NBA 2K website, or you can also go to the downloaded website for 2K. So this is the official website of NBA 2K where you can check the NBA 2K27 server status. You can see the server status of PlayStation, Xbox, Steam and Nintendo Switch. So if you find that the server status is offline, under maintenance or having any kind of outages, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online and then you can check back later. Now if you check the downloaded website, then scroll down and here you can see the graph. Now on August 26, many players have reported this problem related to servers. So in such case, you have to just wait for the server status to get back online and then you can check back later. There was also a post from the NBA 2K on the Discord website. They have mentioned NBA 2K27 early access tips of this morning, and we know a lot of you will be hitting the code at once. During the opening rush of early access and launch, our servers use a temporary safety system to keep things stable. So if you are not able to connect to servers right away, then give it a few minutes and then try again. Nothing is wrong on your side. See you on the code. So this is the post from the NBA 2K on the Discord website. So if you're facing any kind of server issues, can't connect to server, unable to connect to 2K servers, then you can just wait for a few minutes and then try again later and check. Now, if their server status is online and if still you are facing the problem, then here follow the fixes mentioned in this video. First fix is to restart Steam or restart your PC. So simply click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam and then you can relaunch Steam and then you can launch the NBA 2K27 game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then simply restart your PC once, and once your PC restart, then you can check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to resynchronize your Windows clock. So right click on this date and time setting and then click on adjust date and time. Now just toggle off the set time automatically. Just toggle it off, wait for a few seconds and then toggle it on. Now scroll down. Under additional settings, you will see sync now option. Click on sync now. And once you see the tick mark option, then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check. Fix 3 is to change DNS server. So in Windows search, type control panel and open the control panel. Click on view network status and task. Then click on your connected Wi-Fi network. Then click on properties. Then select the Internet Protocol version 4 and then click on properties. Then select the second option, that is a use the following DNS server addresses, and in preferred DNS server type 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS server type 8.8.4.4. then hit OK and then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the Internet Protocol version 4, click on properties, and this time in the preferred DNS type 1.1.1.1 and in alternate DNS server type 1.0.0.1 and then click on OK to save the changes, and then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check. Fix 4 is to reset internet connection. So in Windows search type cmd and open the command prompt as an administrator. So click on run as administrator, click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt, you have to copy this code one by one and then paste it over there. So just copy the first code, paste it over here and then hit enter. You can copy and paste the code from my video description. I have provided this code in my video description. Copy the third code, paste it over here, hit enter. Copy the next code, paste it over here, hit enter. And finally copy the last code, paste it over here and then hit enter. Now you will see you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset process. So close the command prompt and don't forget to restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 5 is to perform network reset. So open Windows settings. On the left, click on network and internet. Scroll down, click on advanced network settings. Then click on network reset and then click on reset now and then click on yes to confirm. And then after resetting your network, just restart your PC once. Don't forget to restart your PC. And once your PC restart, connect to Wi-Fi and then launch the game and check. Fix 62 power cycle your internet. So turn off your Wi-Fi router or modem. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Then restart your Wi-Fi router or modem. Reconnect and then launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to switch internet connection. So if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then disconnect it and then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. Now, if possible, then you can also try to connect to internet via Ethernet cable and then check. Fix 8 is to run the game as an administrator. So go to the NBA 2K27 game installation folder. Then right click on NBA 2K27 exe file and then select run as administrator to launch the game and see if that helps or not. Fix 9 is to try VPN. So you can connect to VPN such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, Kaspersky VPN, Cloudflare VPN or any other VPN and then check. Now if you're already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Fix 10 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open the Windows security. Click on virus and threat protection. Click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Click on add and allow app, browse all apps and then browse to the game installation folder. So you have to browse to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, NBA 2K27 game folder. Select NBA 2K27 exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. After adding it, go back. Click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow app through firewall. Click on change settings. Click on allow other app. Click on browse and then again browse to the game installation folder. So again browse to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common. Open the NBA 2K27 game folder. Select NBA 2K27 exe file and then click on open and then click on add to add it to the list. After adding it, click on OK to save changes and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now, if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ACT, or any other third-party antivirus program, then you have to allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well, and then you can launch the game and check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 11 is to verify the game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on NBA 2K27. This is just an example and then click on properties. Go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 12 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings, on the left click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install all of them and then just restart your PC once. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily fix NBA 2K27 server error, that is unable to connect to 2K servers or can't connect to servers on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.